Hello Gym Tech Pulse, the new trainers in, and you can see here we've got a box of Air Jordan on them, and it's a traditional Air Jordan box, but this time we have got the Air Jordan Retro 6. What colour? Let's check them out. We have got the lime green. So what else do we get in the box? That is it, literally nothing else inside. So let's take a look at the shoe up close. So you can see we have this new book finish, as we're all familiar with the Jordan 6s. Bottom of the shoe, the luminous and the typical pattern on the sole. Your Air Jordan logo on the back. Same on the inside here, you've got this luminous pattern, and you can see you have these spongy sides here with the heel pull here, and of course you have got the lace tie, which is cool, and that is in the luminous green as well. The Air Jordan here again, and of course you've got the tongue here which you can pull up with these two holes like so, and inside you have got the size tag and the Air Jordan heel insert in there, and that's what they look like on the front. So taking a look at both shoes together, we have got this setup here which is really nice, and we'll do the same on this side. That is what they look like there. Tried them on, very comfortable, and these will be going into storage into the collection, and really comfortable to wear, nice on. They look really cool with jeans or tracksuit bottoms, whatever the case may be. And you can see you've got this familiar pattern here. So they've kept to their OG, and really nice to see them in this colour, but love to see them back out in the white or black infrared again, and it'd be nice to see them come back out. But that's just a quick look and first thoughts on the new Air Jordan 6 Lime Retro, which have just come out, just landed today. Only ordered them yesterday. Pretty impressive shipping by Nike, and that's it. Any questions, feel free to ask. Stay tuned for more trainers coming soon, which I also collect as well as mobile phones, and there's some here we're going to be unboxing soon. But we've more Jordans on the way, and that is it for now. Any comments below, tell us what you think. Are you going to buy them, or are you going to cop them, whatever the story is? But certainly these suits certainly look excellent purchase. Delighted with them. We'll talk to you soon.